Our universe is vast and bright. There are all kinds of giant celestial bodies. So for example, here's a star. Stars burn violently through nuclear fusion reactions and illuminate the celestial bodies of the universe. The entire universe contains billions of stars. Our sun is one of them. This is a black hole, one of the most terrifying celestial bodies in the universe. Anything close to a black hole will be devoured without mercy. In addition to that, there are galaxies out there. Nebulae, stars and comets. Various celestial bodies numbering in billions. Then there are so many celestial bodies in the universe. Where did it come from? How were they born? The answer comes from the universe itself. As early as 1927, Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaître, based on general relativity and astronomical observations, the idea that the entire universe originated from a single primitive atom, evolution after expansion. That is to say, the universe began with a Big Bang. In the early days of the universe, there's hydrogen everywhere, and clouds of harmful elements. No luminous celestial bodies have appeared yet. But just then, one of the four fundamental attractive forces comes into play. Some thick gas under the hidden blessing began to gather gradually. As they go more and more, the internal temperature and pressure are also increasing, and finally force itself to be ignited. Formed the first dazzling stars. The universe also ushered in a glorious moment. Afterwards, when a large number of newborn stars and dark matter start getting together, formed the vast celestial system of interstellar. Certainly, our own Milky Way is one of those galaxies. It was also formed in this environment. Scientists observe the Sun is about 4.60 billion years old, which means that about 4.60 billion years ago, the Sun was born in the Milky Way galaxy, a gas cloud. When the Sun was still in its infancy, it was surrounded by thousands of rock fragments. These fragments are from a previous generation of stars, the wreckage left behind when it perished. They are also because of the existence of attractive forces, constantly colliding and converging, until the formation of stars orbiting the Sun. That includes Mercury, Venus, Earth, etc. These are all planets. Gravity has sculpted cosmic objects. It also sculptures all the difficulties of life, a haven for survival. According to observations by the Kepler Space Telescope, most of the stars in our galaxy have their own planets orbiting. And on a much larger scale of the universe, the number of stars, perhaps far more than the total amount of sand on Earth, spread across 93 billion light-years in diameter. Where we live, just a tiny corner of the universe, but it was lit by a particularly bright star. However, the universe is by no means eternal. Any celestial body has a lifespan. Massive stars, and after running out of fuel, will be unable to resist its own gravity, finally collapsed into a black hole. And all the less massive stars. The future will also be extinguished one after another. The universe will one day be dark again. No more light,